Ever pondered the current state of affairs in Somalia, a country with a history as rich and complex as the tapestry of its diverse tribes? Well, today, we embark on a journey to unravel a timeline of recent events that have shaped this Eastern African nation. Let's rewind to July of 2021, when political tensions in Somalia exacerbated the insecurity for women. This increase in turmoil heightened the risk of sexual violence and curtailed women's participation in public life. A conflict that ignited in February led to mass displacements, rendering women and girls particularly susceptible to sexual assault. This political crisis posed a threat to the progress made in women's participation in regional politics and peace-building efforts. Despite Somalia's historical precedent of incorporating women in mediation efforts, and the instrumental role of the UN Women, Peace and Security Agenda, the nation lacked a national action plan to address the challenges faced by women. Fast forward to January of 2024, and we find Ethiopia, Somalia's neighbor, causing an upheaval. Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, desiring maritime access for his landlocked country, announced a memorandum of understanding with the breakaway Republic of Somaliland. This agreement entailed leasing 12 miles of coastline near the port of Berbera, potentially granting Somaliland diplomatic recognition from Ethiopia. While this deal might have signaled a shift in the region and a catalyst for recognition for Somaliland, it sparked outrage in Somalia, leading to protests and rallies in its capital, Mogadishu. Critics of Abiy accused him of seeking regional dominance, while he maintained that Ethiopia simply sought to diversify its access to the sea. So, what have we discovered from this intriguing timeline? Firstly, the struggle for women's security and participation in public life continues to be a pressing issue in Somalia. The nation's political crisis, coupled with mass displacements, has left women and girls vulnerable to sexual violence and has hindered their involvement in politics and peace building. Secondly, Ethiopia's quest for maritime access and the potential recognition of Somaliland has stirred regional tensions, leading to protests in Somalia and calls for dialogue from international bodies. As the situation in Somalia continues to evolve, it's a stark reminder of the intricate interplay between politics, security, and social issues in shaping the destiny of a nation. Indeed, there are no simple solutions, but understanding the complexities and challenges is the first step toward a more stable and prosperous Somalia.